Start with a slip knot. And chain 99, or else you can start off with any multiple of 3. One single crochet in the second chain from the hook, 1 and 2, this one. And one single crochet in each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, chain 1 and turn your work. Next on, one single crochet in the first stitch. Skip the next stitch, and in the next stitch make one single crochet, chain 1 and one single crochet into the same stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches, and in the next stitch repeat the same. One single crochet, chain 1 and one single crochet into the same stitch. Now repeat this until then. Skip the next 2 stitches and into the next stitch. One single crochet, chain 1 and a single crochet into the same stitch. Skip 2. At the end, you will have 2 stitches left. Skip the next stitch, and in the last stitch make a single crochet, chain 1 and turn your work. Next on, one single crochet in the first stitch. And now we'll be making the stitches only into this chain 1 spaces. This is the first stitch and this is the chain 1. In this chain 1 space, make one single crochet, chain 1 and a single crochet into the same stitch. This is the next single crochet and this is the chain 1. Repeat the same over here. One single crochet, chain 1 and a single crochet into the same stitch. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. This is the next chain 1 space. One single crochet, chain 1 and a single crochet into the same stitch. This is how the stitches will look. Make the last set of stitches. And in the last stitch make a single crochet, chain 1 and turn your work. Now just keep repeating this round until you reach the size which you need. Start with one single crochet in the first stitch and we'll be working only into this chain 1 spaces. This is the first single crochet and this is the chain 1 space. Single crochet, chain 1 and a single crochet into the same stitch. The next stitch. This is how the pattern will look. Now if you wish, you can leave the border as it is, or else you can make one single crochet in each and every stitch. This is the first stitch, one single crochet. You won't be making the stitches into the chain 1 space. Skip the chain 1 and make one single crochet in each and every stitch. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.